This is a used 2007 Acura RDX, powered by all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include a turbocharger, a power sunroof, leather seats, heated seats, a home-link system, power folding mirrors, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, dual temperature controls. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.